Today's travel tips are going to help you pack more outfits with less clothing. You are going to learn how to multiply your travel outfits for any vacation with a minimal amount of clothes. Do not miss the #1 travel tip for packing less, and that is to pack only 2 pairs of shoes. Neutral shoes will coordinate with more outfits. And the #2 travel tip is to pack thin layers for winter. Choose 3 foundational pieces that can be worn with those 2 pairs of shoes, as well as with your cute airport outfit shoes. Now, I have bought every piece of clothing in this video that you are going to see because Walmart is sponsoring this video for you. The Walmart fashion has great quality for any vacation outfit style that actually fits your personality and the activities you're going to be doing on your vacation. Here is how to multiply your travel outfits with only 1 shirt. This 1 shirt that is gray can be worn as a foundational piece by itself. It can also be worn with a cardigan. I can wear this gray shirt under a sweatshirt. I wore this thin layered sweatshirt in Canada on top of my other Walmart shirt that's tie-dye, and I needed those layers, but because they were thin enough, I did not take up as much space in my suitcase while multiplying my outfits. Here's another example with a black t-shirt. It's long sleeve, so it can be worn by itself or under a black cardigan for a restaurant look. It also can be worn under this thin fleece that does not look like athletic wear. Can you believe it? This fleece passed as standby attire with our strict airline rules that we have to dress by when we fly standby. By the way, I am a pilot wife here in Houston, and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. After 20 years of making travel outfit mistakes, I have picked up some expert advice, so I hope these tips are helping you. Travel tip #3 for your outfit on vacation is to pack 2 bottom pieces that are going to coordinate with all of your shoes, including your airport outfit shoes. For my travel outfit, I wore these double-buttoned waistband jeans, which I highly recommend, especially for Thanksgiving travel week. And I also wore this light purple sweater. It is very, very smooth. It's lightweight, which is great for packing, but I can also layer it with a t-shirt or a thin tank top underneath it as well if I need that extra warmth. But this is a standalone sweater while being lightweight for travel. You know from all of my travel outfits that I love blue denim because it does coordinate with mini tops while only packing 1 pair of jeans. Many of you loved the no-show socks, and here's the trick if you were looking for them in the store. They have the circle opening. I wear these in almost every one of my travel outfits because they only show a little bit and they do not slide down ever. I have even worn them with my black boots because it was warm in Houston. They are still available in really cute patterns, and I will have the exact link in the paragraph below for you, so you do not have to wait for my reply over Thanksgiving break. All right, travel tip #5 for packing less is to have an outfit packing strategy. Make your base layers, make your foundational outfit solid pieces of clothing, do double duty. They will help you create more outfits for your vacation. But a tip is you must use high quality clothing that will last for years to come. Notice my new scarf. It can do double duty by being worn as a scarf, being worn as a blanket scarf, or even a wrap-like poncho if I need it to be, although that is not my style. I've made sure that every shirt can be worn with at least 2 of my shoes that I packed, remember? But I also have 3 because of my airport shoes. If you do need to wear a signature piece, like my really pretty tank top, just make sure it is a thin layer so you're not taking up extra space or adding more weight to your bag for a one-time use article of clothing. I really wanted to wear a bulky, thick sweatshirt sweater from Walmart when I went to Canada. But here's how I saved space. I tied it around my waistband in the airplane so that I did not have to pack it in my carry-on suitcase. When you pack a crossbody bag, you want it to do double duty. This one from Walmart can look dressy for a restaurant, and I love how neutral of a color it is. But you also have with it a strap that can be worn this way or this way in a very casual fit to my personality and activity need for me. If you need help packing toiletries, I will make sure I link that in the paragraph below, along with all of these outfit details. Every single link will be down there below, or you can follow me on the Like to Know It app. It is free, and a lot of influencers use that for sharing their outfits of the day for those people who are interested in it. Be sure to click on more in that first sentence to find the box, or just message me and I'll give you more details to help you walk you through it. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving break, and I hope you are able to pack more with less because of my tips.